Good afternoon, everybody. It's Scott Gillum with you on the ShadowTrader SquawkBox short video. I want to take a look at Meta. Meta looks like it wants to hit that round number up there at 500 within the next couple of weeks. With this market so bullish, let's take a look at the chart for just a second. A trend line going off of the lows, tagging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches, gives me this uptrend line back from early part of 2023. A parallel to that, we see that the gap up after earnings is at the probably the base of where we should see any sort of flush. But it doesn't look like Meta wants to come back there. We've got our 8 exponential moving average still climbing and now above that move after earnings. Now taking that parallel line, number 1, number 2, and now just taking it to the third iteration off of the tops or the high from earnings, I now see that there's a level that is really close to this 500 out here in March 4th of this year. Drawing a trend line from the lows as we've moved up from the 6th of February, then through the 8th, we get that line, though, crossing just underneath 500. So with this type of bullish move or trend on Meta and a $500 target as our ultimate, and then the crossover around 495, I set up a trade that might be interesting to you folks. It's a butterfly. We go out to the 23rd of February. Let's go back to the chart for a second. 23rd of February. Bang. Oops. Bang. That's right there at the crossover of these two lines. The trend line to the up and then the channel right there just under 500. So taking a look at the trade once again. I want to buy that 480 call, sell $10 out of it, or 10 strikes out at 490, and then do that twice and then cap that off at the 95. I've got $10 of potential with $5 of risk if we blow through all of the strikes and make that 500 level. Taking a look at the curve itself, risking around $225 for a potential if we blow through everything on the sun, all the way up above 500, we then take that 222 and make it into $500. Or, as you can see up here, a theoretical profit of around 240. If we do hit our zenith and we make it just to that 495 level by next week or next Friday, the 23rd, we have a absolute 2-to-1 return on our issue. Remember, we're $10 to the upside, we're $5 at risk. So $10 minus $5 makes us $5. So there you go. There's my trade on Meta, looking to climb to that 500 level with a potential of only getting up to 497. Hi there, I'm Scott Gillum from the ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons, and if you'd like to trade with me live every day in real time, check out ShadowTrader SquawkBox at shadowtrader.net/squawk or at the link in the description below. Good trading to you all, and I'll see you in the room.